Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to check the transmission fluid in your 2018 Kia Sportage. This one happens to have the 2.4 in it, but remember, before I tell you how to do this, if you want, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, leave a comment if you have any questions, I'll totally get back to you. So let's get rolling. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you got to grab a banana. It's very important. This is really important to this procedure. All right, hang out a little bit. Look at the car. Make sure everything's okay. Look around some more. All right. So how do you check the transmission fluid level in your Kia? You don't. there's no dipstick for it. It's a self-sealed tranny. So it's self-contained. If you need to have the fluid level checked, consult your service department or your Kia dealership. So there's no dipstick in there to pull out, so you can check the fluid level, see what they recommend. If they recommend any kind of service, usually sometimes they'll hook up to a machine and there's a way they can kind of flush the fluid all around in there. But more and more manufacturers are coming out with transmissions these days that are self-contained, and they really don't really require a whole lot of maintenance like the older transmissions did that had a dipstick and they had a filter in there that you could put in the pan down the whole 9 yards. So with that said, if you have any more questions on the car, leave a comment and we'll see what you got, and maybe we'll make a video on it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.